Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the back cover on a Garmin Forerunner 235. So let's go and begin. Get the heat gun, set the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and the airspeed to 50. Work your way around the screen. Don't apply too much heat because you can burn the LCD and you would have to replace the screen with this repair. Get the thin gasket tool. It's about 0.005 thickness. And go ahead and catch the side on the top right button and work your way around. The adhesive is pretty strong, so you will have to don't go too far inside because you will and you can damage ribbons. The adhesive will come off with it. Go ahead and take your flat-headed screwdriver and take off the ribbon. Go ahead and grab the screen. There will be some adhesive, so just pull with it with the adhesive. Don't just pull on the ribbon because you can damage it. Set aside the screen. I usually like to just put the adhesive a little back, easier to work with. Go ahead and take your flat-headed screwdriver again and pry up on the heart rate sensor ribbon and take that off. Take your T5 screwdriver, unscrew the two screws for the board. I usually start where the antenna's at and just go in there, start prying right up, making sure you don't damage anything. Then I usually just pull on the board and it usually pops right out. The antenna, if it does come off, you can always put it back on. Usually clips back on. Set aside the board. Next, if you wanted to save your bands, get two T6 screwdrivers. Put one on each end. Hold one down firmly and go ahead and screw with the other one. Push it in so that other piece comes out. Or just get a flathead screwdriver and just push it right out. It's the easiest way to go about it. Set those aside. Same thing goes to the other side. Flat-headed screwdriver, push it out. Set this band aside. Go ahead and get your replacement back cover. I usually like to put on my bands first. So this is how I locate where the band goes. Is I see the heart rate ribbon, it's always at the bottom. So the one with the clips, the band with the clips and the adjuster, I usually like to put it on top, which that's how it goes. Doesn't matter which way this thing fits in. Get this one side with the T6 screwdriver. Make sure they're nice and tight. Go ahead and put the board in. Make sure the ribbon's on the bottom. The left ribbon for the heart rate is at the bottom of the board. Go ahead and place it down until it clips in. Take the T5 screwdriver, take the 2 screws, screw them back in. Take your flat-headed screwdriver, go ahead and apply that ribbon back in. Don't push too hard on the top because it can damage the ribbon. Take your screen, make sure the Garmin logo is on top. On the bottom of your screwdriver, press firmly so that adhesive sticks to the actual ribbon. Go ahead and get your B7000. Go ahead and go all the way around. Just be very generous with the glue. Just add as much as you need, just so it stays waterproof. And go ahead and get it perfectly centered between the clasp and the band. Get a clamp with cardboard on each end so it does not damage either side, either the heart rate side, back cover side, or the screen. Go ahead and place it on. Usually let it sit between 3 to 4 hours depending on the temperature inside. If it's around 76 degrees room temperature, I usually have it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. But if it's a little colder in the temperature, you can have it sit about 2 to 3 hours. But to make it fully cure, the glue, the adhesive, I usually let it sit for about 24 hours just for it to cure the best. And that is how you replace back cover on a Garmin Forerunner 235. Thanks for watching, guys.